Can open. Do you like her?
Where is he?
You love her?
Where is he?
Her name's Dora.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. How do you know his
We get my iPhone too. We'll take it.
Now I can help us too. I knew it. I even guessed the dog.
You did.
I knew it. She's so cute.
You're being so gentle with her. She's a little scared, so you're being very gentle with her. You be very.
She licked me.
She licked you, Ben?
Yeah. You know how we're gonna take care of this dog.
That's right. You are going to take care of the dog, AJ.
Well, I think he wants to lick his sweater. He's licking you. I think she likes Sydney and Igby.
Yeah, I think so.
But I think he's gonna like.
You take a video?
I think he's gonna like all kinds of stores.
Here, I'll stop it with this one.